Well, today, per request from the comment section, believe the leftover tacos for the pulled pork is what won. So, I come up with this little recipe right here, and let's see how it goes over. Right here's the recipe. Use it as a guide. That's all I use a recipe for, just use what you like. Alrighty, get you a red onion. It looks purple to me, but slice it up real thin. Don't cut your fingers off. I'm not a knife-matician. Alrighty, once you get it thinly sliced, grab you an orange bell pepper and do the same with it. Slice it up real thin. Alrighty, add to that, we're going to catch this here serrano pepper. Same thing. Get those seeds out if you don't want a little bit of heat. Slice her up real thin. Slice them thin slices up a little slicer thinner and put it in a bowl. There you have it. Give her a little toss. Make it all colorful. Now get out the best vegetable there ever is. That's cilantro. Chop up about, I don't know, that's almost a whole bunch. I like cilantro, but use what you like. Hit it with some of that smoked salt. Check out the video with the link above. Alrighty. Get her put in a jar like this just because it looks better. Get your 2 limes. Squeeze the full out of them. All the juice you can. Alrighty, get the lid on it. And if you know, you know, right here. And get her shaken up. What we're going to do, we're going to put this in the fridge overnight. Going to let all these flavors mingle together. And it can stay in there for up to about 3 days. Now we're going to need a sauce. And good thing that I run out of mayo because I forgot to mash record. We're going to start out about a half a cup of mayo and a half a cup of sour cream. I reckon all tacos have got to have sour cream. The biggest clove of garlic you can find. I just happen to have an awesome neighbor that grows these hardnecks out in his yard. Get you a can of these chipotles right here. Chipotle, if you'd rather say it the right way. Put in 1 whole chipotle and about 2 tablespoons of the juice those chipotles come in. Once again, we like lime, so we're adding in the juice of 2 more limes. Let's add a little milk. I've heard milk makes your bones strong. That's why we put it in there. Get you 1 more bunch of cilantro there. Get her roughly chopped up like you did the other one. Let's half it this time and put about half of it over here in this here sauce. And the other half we're going to put in this for garnish. Season it the way you want to season it. I'm just going to make it mojo. And there you have it. I'm just going to leave this right here. I always try to show you my mistakes, and I don't think you're supposed to call people fools, so I'm just going to say this dude right here sometimes can be an idiot. Alrighty, once we get this here cap on, we're going to put this baby over here on this bullet and give her a nice little twirl until it's nice and liquefied. Get her poured in a bowl, get a lid on it. You're going to put it over there with that there vegetable mix, let it set overnight. That way to get thick. Alrighty, after church, let's come home. Let's get that pulled pork out of the freezer. It's nice and frozen. Open her up and add some taco sauce in there. This was per recommendation from the wife. And it was a good one. You use 1/4 cup. Might use a little more next time. But get her vacuum sealed. We're going to stick her back out here in the back in this sous vide at 170 degrees for about 30 minutes. During that 30 minutes, we're going to get these here street taco shells. We got the corn, we got the flour. We're going to lay down first the flour. I had a comment one time, a guy said, not every taco needs cheese on it. So I agree, we're not going to put cheese on this taco. Yeah, we'll just leave it right there. But if I was, it would be like a nice, what would that be? Like a Havarti pepper cheese, if I was going to do that. All right, let's take these shells here. Let's get them in the oven for about 5 minutes till they melt. Now, you can do it in a skillet. You can do it on the Blackstone. I just felt a little lazy. Get that manly taco holder that I hadn't broke out in a while. Get those shells in there. Now, that meat's been in there. It's nice and mushy. And get the biggest pair of unibarrel tweezers that you can find. Let me tell you what. Taco sauce, awesome idea. Thank you, darling. Alrighty. Get that meat stuffed down in those shells right there and put as much as you want, little as you want. We got to have room for that veggie mix and try to get it. I wanted to be fancy with these big long tweezers, but I think I could have done just as well with my hand. Hit it with some of that sauce. As you can see, it's thickened up overnight when it got cold. Hit it with a little more vegetable on top, and there you have it. per request, the leftover pulled pork taco. Now, all I gotta do now, I ain't had a reveal shot in a while, so there you go. There's your reveal shot. That's what's inside. And don't tell that dude, but there's cheese in there. Alrighty, moving on to the taste test. Let me tell you what. I know a lot of times on this channel I say this is probably the best thing I've had in a while. Let me tell you about this taco. This taco right here is amazing. It is, for sure. I'm not going to lie this time. The best taco I've ever had. The pulled pork, you still taste the smoke from that last cook. And you got the taco seasoning. The freshness of these veggies with that lime juice. And the little smokiness from that chipotles. Man, you've got to try it. Please try this. This is, best recipe to date this year or this week. Alrighty, that's about it. I got to get out of here. You know what? I appreciate you. And Mojo is out.